Pranam to all. Nowadays, Delhi's weather is so pleasant. After a long time, me and my sister are playing in the rooftop garden. But while playing in the rooftop garden, me and my sister are also doing some gardening. Children can learn new skills, have fun, play, and develop self-confidence by spending time in the garden. So whenever we get some time, we always spend the time in our own garden. Do you recognize this flower? This flower is known as Rangoon Creeper flower or also Madhumalati flower. We already have the Madhumalati plant in a pot. As you know, it's already summer, but the flowers are still not blooming. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about some simple tips to take care of your Madhumalati plant. Some days ago, it was so hot, so that's why some Madhumalati leaves got dry. My mom removed all the leaves and branches which are dried in the plant. Madhumalati plants are woody vines and fast-growing plants that can reach from 2.5 meters up to the height of 8 meters. The beautiful flower of Rangoon Creeper plant has a divine fragrance and its colors varies from white to pink to red. The leaves of Rangoon Creepers are elliptical with rounded base with green to yellow-green color. So the next step is to pinch out the tips. This helps the plant to get some new branches. We pinch plants primarily to encourage a fuller growth habit and more flowers. I have almost done pinching the plant with some sharp scissors. I think gardening is a healthy, fun activity for us. We develop new skills and learn about science and nature. My sister loves watering the plant and I love mulching, digging and etc. to the plants. Next step is to loosen the soil by digging. Chhoti is also helping me to dig out the plant. Then we will remove all the weeds. We can easily take care of Rangoon Creeper plant by regular watering. Normally, Rangoon Creeper plant doesn't need much use of fertilizer. But the flowers have not bloomed yet. That's why we are giving some potassium-rich fertilizer. This is the dried banana peel fertilizer. We have already uploaded a lot of homemade fertilizer, so you can go to our playlist and check out some of the homemade fertilizers. Now Chhoti will also use a little amount of calcium-rich fertilizer. This is the eggshell fertilizer. The Madhumalati flowers blooming is much more spectacular where there is more sun. Do you know that there are so many benefits of Rangoon Creeper plant or Madhumalati plant? Its leaves help to treat skin problem. It also is a remedy to treat headache. So my friends, you can also start gardening by watering the garden, digging, picking flowers, planting vegetables, fruits and flowers with your parents. You can also do composting, recycling and mulching. You can do craft activities using harvested seeds, plants and flowers. Now mulching is over. We will now water our plant. I hope our plants blooms a lot of flowers this year. And if it blooms, we will surely share with you. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.